Friends, have you ever heard of a shoe thief? Someone who steals shoes? Well, I'll tell you about one. A shoe thief story written by Girija Rani Asthana on our channel Ammu&You, where I'm Ammu, ever ready with lovely stories to narrate to all of you. So the shoe thief, written by Girija Rani Asthana. Prayer was over in the assembly and children came out of the assembly hall. Amit and Vijay, along with other children, went where their shoes were kept. Children were not allowed to go with their shoes on for prayers. They went with their socks only. Vijay opened the knot tied between the laces of both the shoes and said, "It's good that we tie both the shoes with laces, or else they would get mixed with others." Amit said, "I can't find my shoes." He spoke slowly. "Oh no, not again. It means the thief has struck again." Well, for the last 1 week or so, almost every day, somebody or the other would lose his shoes. In the beginning, nobody took it seriously. They thought that it was a prank played by some mischievous boy. But when the thefts continued, school authorities became alarmed. They kept a continuous vigil. Nothing happened during those days. And now when they were a bit complacent, today the thief had struck again. Amit was disturbed. As the boys gathered around, Amit and Vijay, their class teacher, Mr. Datta, also arrived. He told, "Go to the hostel and borrow something to wear, Amit. I'm going to report the incident to the principal." Boys went in the class. Vijay and Amit went to the hostel. While returning, Vijay said, "I'm sorry about your shoes, but we're certainly going to catch the thief, Amit. This is just not done." "How?" "We'll have to do our investigation tomorrow and wait for the thief to come. But the thief strikes only during the assembly time. So then we'll miss the assembly," said Vijay. Next day, when all the boys went for the assembly, Vijay and Amit stayed back and hid in a vacant class. When the doors of the assembly hall were closed, they came out from their hiding place and ran towards the back of the big hall where the boys kept their shoes. They hid behind a thick growth of bougainvillea bush near the garden and waited for the thief to come. They kept on waiting. And suddenly, to their astonishment, they saw a stray dog coming, just walking, wandering. They didn't pay any attention. But soon, Amit shook Vijay. "Hey, look!" Vijay saw the amazing sight. The stray dog they had seen earlier was running back with 2 shoes dangling from his mouth. For a minute, the boys couldn't believe what they were seeing. Then they ran from their hiding place behind the dog. The dog reached the bush and scrambled through it and ran away. I'm sure somebody was there on the other side. Tomorrow again, we'll have to keep our vigil. "Oh no, we can't miss the assembly again. But we have to find this out. We have to find this thief." "I can't come again," said Amit. "Okay, then I'll come," said Vijay. "I'll hide in the branches of this mango tree." The next day, as soon as the assembly started, Vijay went and hid himself on top of the mango tree. Now some minutes passed, and there was no one coming. But after a while, he saw the same brown dog with white spots running on the street, followed by a thin, tall boy of 14-15 years of age. Both of them came near the bush. The dog entered, came out with a pair of shoes that he picked from near the assembly hall door, and again went through the hedge. The boy took the shoes and both of them went away. Vijay was so amazed to see this ingenious plan to steal the shoes. He came back and narrated the whole story to Amit they decided that they have to go and tell the principal. They went there and narrated the whole story to the principal. The principal heard them and then said that the next day they will need to come again to him at the time of assembly, and he will see what is to be done. So the next day, when these two boys, Amit and Vijay, reached the principal office, there was this raiding party ready with two peons and Mr. Datta, the class teacher. They all went and hid near the gate, and to their astonishment, after a while, the stray dog comes in, picks up a pair of shoes, goes back again through the hedge and to the boy. But there is Ramadan, who catches hold of that boy. Everyone then goes near them, and the boy starts struggling. Leave me, let me go, let me go. Then Mr. Datta said, if you don't keep quiet, we'll have to call the police. They went to Mr. Sharma's office with the boy, told the whole story, and then the boy, who told his name to be Shawn, said that his father was a trainer of animals in a circus and he also wanted to become one. He was very good with dogs, but his father wanted him to study. So when he failed in class 10th, he ran away from home with his pet dog. He couldn't find any job, so he started this idea of stealing shoes, then going and selling them to some cobbler for whatever money they would give. It was a very easy job and he was getting some money. But why did you come to our school? Asked the principal. Because Shawn said that I had come to know that here boys take out their shoes when they go for the assembly. I myself had come and seen them. I found it quite easy to steal the shoes from here and then go through the hedge, and the guards could not see us because I just crouched through the gap of the hedge. Now, Shawn started apologizing. Please let me go, sir. Please let me go. Vijay felt pity for the boy. He realized that it was so sad that a boy of 14, 15 years of age would be handed over to the police and would be sent to jail. He suddenly pleaded to Mr. Sharma, the principal, Sir, please don't send him to jail. Give him one more chance. He has committed a mistake. He was misguided. I am sure, given a chance and with proper counseling, he will stop this shoe thief business. Mr. Sharma looked at Vijay and then at the boy. He smiled. Yes, I agree with you. Everyone should be given a chance to correct their mistake. So we will give this chance to Shawn as well. And great job, both of you, Amit and Vijay. I'm so proud of you. And Vijay, I'm very proud of you because you thought that Shawn should get a chance. Both the boys happily went back to their class. And Shawn's father was called and explained that he should be cooperative and should support the boy in correcting his mistake. Shawn also agreed that he did do something very wrong and that he would never do it again. This was the shoe thief. How did you like, children? Let me know in your comments on the channel. And please like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon and wait for me when I come back soon again with another story. Till then, Ammu says, Tata.